Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work the increase and make one right, often referred to as M1R in knitting patterns. So I've got my piece of knitting here. It's just simple stockinette stitch. I've got a garter stitch border just to help it from curling. And I've worked a few stitches here, and I'm just going to work just a couple more, and then I'm going to pretend like my pattern is telling me to work a make one right. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a new stitch in between this stitch here and this stitch here. So we're going to be picking up this strand here. That'll usually be referred to as a bar in the knitting pattern. We're going to pick that up. So we're going to take our left-hand needle and we're going to scoop it up. We're going to go under that bar from back to front like so. So that's how the strand should be sitting on your needle. And then we're just going to go into that stitch and work it like we work every other knit stitch. And I'll just knit a few more after. You can see that is the make one right we've just created. And it blends really well with the rest of our work. So I'll do it again. I'll knit 2 more stitches and then I'll do another make one right. So left hand needle scoops that bar under from back to front, and then we just knit it like usual. And that is the make one right.